A day after a woman was killed in firing by Kuki militants at Wathalambi in Bishnupur district, Kuki militants continue to attack Meitei villagers, especially farmers who are engaged in crop harvest activities. In yet another incident of attack on farmers, Kuki militants carried out attack on farmers and villagers of Thamnapokpi, Santikhungbal and Thamnapokpi under Imphal district using bombs and other sophisticated weapons. The incident occurred around 9:30 a.m. when Kuki militants dropped 4 bombs and fired multiple rounds of bullets to farmers who were working at the paddy fields. The firing reportedly continued till 11:30 a.m., leading to injury of Central Security Force personnel on his hand. BSF personnel along Bahar Regiment personnel who were posted near the area retaliated to the firing by armed Kukis. Meanwhile, farmers in the area have expressed their apprehension and fear over visiting their paddy fields during this harvest season. Some of the villagers have also taken shelter at safer locations as attack by armed Kukis continue in the area. The gunfiring continued intermittently till afternoon, while sources stated that army conducted frisking and checking of commuters in the area.
Happy Sunday.